Alright, this video is gonna be different. It's gonna be on the go. I haven't had time this week to really edit my last video that I was supposed to be posting today, and so I'll be posting that next week. But today, this is it. Just recording on one of our job site that we're working on while I'm working, and so recording this today and posting it today, hopefully. But man, this week has been busy, crazy busy. Is that busy season for the trades? It's that summertime, especially for HVAC. It's that summertime, or the warm weather coming up, and so we're starting to get a lot of work coming in, calls for service, AC, and then we've secured some townhome work that just came in, and so it feels like everything is hitting at the same time, where I haven't really had time to really do a lot of the things that I'm supposed to be doing, because I've been out on the field helping out with the guys, and when I have the time I'm bidding work, but most of the time I'm out on the field doing all the helping out with the change outs. Well, the guys are focusing on the townhomes, and so that way that the guys can stay on the townhome and get ahead of it and stay on schedule. And so I've been covering the guys on the smaller jobs, taking care of those so that, we don't lose out on any work. But man, we're really feeling that busy season coming in with all this work, service, and yeah, it's been crazy. I've been on the go, just literally feels like I'm all over the place. Like I'm supposed to be in the office bidding on more work, but to make sure that, our months are covered, at least a year worth of work. Townhome is pretty good, but we need more. Walitia, mas kapalas. Mai volase polasi ro pukinga o makala. E kaya ya kalima sol. Trying to get a brush for my pookie. Oh, you sold it. Nah, let me use that one then. Close this one back up. Currently in the crawl space. But yeah, this house we literally started yesterday. It's Sunday. That just shows how crazy busy we've been. We came over the weekend to get this house started and hopefully get it done. And so that way Monday comes, we're just back on the townhome, just focusing on that, get it done. And so that's where we at. So yeah, it's been but right now I'm working on this duct work that's coming through the crawl space. Getting these runs 90s connected, pookied. There is 5 of us here working on this house. It's a 2-system house. We got Hoshi on the upstairs, and then we got John, Taya, And Brian over here on this other, helping me out on this crawl space unit. And so, man, I'm just doing as it comes in. All right. I think this one's ready for to hang. Yes, we are. All right. I'm gonna hang this real quick. Gotta prep my drives. Just tips for those installers. Before you get on the ladder to hang a duct, prep your drives, get them open. So that when you're on that ladder, you're not struggling to open them up because it's tight. So that's what I'm doing. Same goes for the duct work. Open up them drives. All right. Open this up. Goes for the other side. So it's easy for my drives to go in. Got my S's up. Nope. Get my S's connected. Ooh. And making sure that the corners on this duct are nice and straight so that they go right into the S-cleat and not bent, because you will struggle. Oh, these damn plumbers. Gotta move this plumber's pipe real quick. I mean, strap. Yeah. Get that in there. Out of my way. All right. Okay. Get the bottom in first. Then we get that top in. Yes, sir. And grab that drive. Slide that right in. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Lock that baby in. Make sure the other side goes in. Get the other drive. Slide that in. Yes, sir. Then that corner cardboard. Yes, sir. Right. Get some screws up in here. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna get some screws on this end. 1-inch screws up inside the duct. Alright. Yes, sir. That side is in. Yeah, boy. That one's in. Then, ooh,